Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in Hudson County, West New York. So today's project, it's about skylight leak repair. So we have this old skylight, so we're gonna repair. So if you want price for repair, we will give you price for repair or replacement. Here we're going with this project. Reseal the skylight, but the beginning it's removing the old caulking. Once we remove all the old caulking all around the skylight, and then we will apply new caulking, and of course we will reseal the base using a fiberglass membrane and flashing cement. Okay, and we are ongoing with our skylight reseal. So this is how we will do. Step by step, we are ongoing with our project. Removing the old existing caulking. So that will guarantee the new caulking will really stick between the glass and the metal frame. Because if we don't clean that well, the new caulking will peel it off, and that's why we will guarantee 100% no more leaking after we're done. Okay, so this is the last step. So we're using like wire brush to really clean the frame and the glass the right way to do a skylight leak repair. Okay, so right now we are resealing on the base of the skylight using flashing cement and fiberglass membrane. Okay, and between the glass and the frame we will use a special material. We will not use flashing cement. The flashing cement we will apply only on the base, and on the frame we will use the special material for better result. Okay, so the beginning of resealing the glass and the frame, but at this point we're not using flashing cement. We are using our special material, fiberglass membrane, and of course we use our special caulking. %, it will seal. Okay, so now we are ongoing with the skylight. Now we are resealing between the frame and the glass, so it looks that way. Nice and clean, reseal, guarantee, no more leaking, 100%. So let's say if a homeowner, they don't want to replace their skylight, no problem, we will stop any leak. But if the homeowner, they want to replace the skylight, no problem, we will replace it. So we will provide solution either way. Repair, replace, not a problem. If reseal, so we will reseal, guarantee no more leaking. Replace, no problem, we will replace with brand new Velux skylight. All right, so we see it looks that way. Nice and clean, waterproof, guarantee, no more leaking, 100%. And this is the final project, reseal the skylight. We painted with the silver coating on the base, and we reseal it with the special caulking between the frame and the glass. So this is how it looks, and this is guarantee no leaking on the Skylight, 100%. As usual, we provide 2 years labor guarantee on every Skylight leak repair. As usual, we provide solution. If a homeowner or business owner want to replace their Skylight, not a problem. We will replace or we will reseal, whatever they're looking for. So this one is done. Okay, another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing Company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.